One missed update, one overlooked credential, 1 hour without access. That's often all it takes to spark a chain reaction that disrupts operations across an entire organization. Yet, many businesses still underestimate the risk of skipping structured IT support. While 46% of companies now rely on managed IT services to protect their operations, others cling to internal patchwork fixes that seem cheaper. Without consistent monitoring and proactive management, vulnerabilities stack up silently. Misaligned systems, expired software, or former employees with admin access can remain undetected for months. As Mark Collis, owner of ESI, warns, the collapse of a system seldom begins with the first visible crack. It starts with the unattended fractures buried deep within. The question isn't if your business can afford IT support, it's whether it can afford to go without it. Read the full article now on our website to uncover the risks and the smarter path forward.